Hello students, welcome to the class 3rd Social Studies class, chapter number 1, the universe. In my previous class, I have told you about the universe, the galaxies and the Big Bang theory. The universe is a very vast space which consists of many stars, group of stars and the galaxies. Big Bang theory. Most of the scientists had believed that a universe was born many years ago due to the explosion of a huge fireball which was created. It slowly cooled down and it formed many small and tiny particles, due to which the universe was born, and the stars and the other heavenly bodies such as our Earth, blue planet Earth, is also formed due to that explosion. Now students, this was all about your last class. Now we will move to the next topic, that is the solar system. The solar system is about the planets and the sun. The sun, the planet, their moons and many other objects such as the comets and the asteroids are together called the solar system. In the solar system family, the solar system family consists of the sun, the planets, its moon and the other objects such as comets and asteroids are together called a solar system or a sun's family. The sun is the center of our solar system. The sun is in the center of the solar system, and the earth and the 7 other planets move around the sun. The sun is in the middle of the solar system, and around the sun, the earth and the other 7 planets moves around the sun. As you can see in this diagram, sun is here in the middle, and these are the rings which are on which these 8 planets are moving. In the middle the sun is there, and around the sun all these planets are moving. The 8 planets are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. These are the 8 planets which are consisting in solar system, and sun is also a part of a solar system. We can call it a solar system or a sun's family. The sun. The sun is a big ball of a burning hot gases which glows like a bonfire. The sun is also called a big ball of a burning hot gases which glows like a bonfire, means as a burning fire. It is the source of heat which sustains life on the earth. It's a very main source of a heat, and it sustains life on the earth. The energy received from the sun is called solar energy. Which energy is received from the sun is called the solar energy. The sun is the closest star to the earth. That is why we can see it clearly. The sun is most closest star to our earth. So that is why we can see the sun very clearly here. It is many times bigger than the earth. The sun size is many times bigger than the earth. It looks small because it is far away from the earth. It looks us very small because it is far away from the earth, so it looks smaller, but it is bigger in size. It is the only body in the solar system which has its own light, and sun is the only heavenly body which has its own light. Other than the sun, the moon and the other planet doesn't have their own light. They shine because they reflect the light of the sun. They shine because the sun gives them light and so that they can reflect. Thank you, students. I hope you all have understood these two topics, the solar system and the sun. So, please reread the chapter and learn what is solar system, what are the names of the 8 planets, what is comet and asteroids, and what is sun, and from where do we get the solar energy. Thank you, students.